check it out.
What I really like about METALCON, this is the first one I've attended, is the variety of manufacturing that you have available, all different types of metal. I'm impressed.
Just wanted to check out all the new innovative metal products. Pretty awesome stuff.
It's very impressive. It's very organized, which is nice.
A lot of tools and materials and stuff that I think is going to really help us out in the future.
I love the range that's here, the big, large-scale demos, and then there's people who are just talking at length how metal supports the building and construction and architecture industry at large.
The design district, you start to exchange ideas with people interested in the design elements of metal.
People that are actually very down to earth. They can tell me how they build this stuff. So in my practice, I can help my clients understand that they're putting good money into their projects.
Continuing education. I came in with just an open mind and it's really exceeded everything I thought I'd get out of it. Lots of information.
Anything metal, we want to be involved, putting our name out there and meeting new people. Tons of business. Everybody's doing business. I mean, look around, there's deals being made left and right.
We've had a lot of high quality leads come through who already know about our company thanks to the advertising in and around METALCON. We love to see that. They're excited to talk to us right off the bat.
Thank you to METALCON that helped us in all of this year to achieve our goal and increase our market.